everywhere you look, there's touch-up work that has to be done by the painter.
The panel that Amber's painting in the kitchen is just like this panel, and this is what Joe Boehm, our lead designer for the house and for Better Homes and Gardens, wanted us to create so that we have a little bit of color, a little splash of design here in the dining room on the walls. We have 4 of these panels that we're going to make, and you can see the wallpapers, a sample of it here, that will go inside the frames once they're painted and once they're mounted. Now, if you like this idea, just kind of putting a little splash of color in a room like this, well, you can achieve the same thing without having to build a frame if you use the right tape and just a little bit of time. Now what I did here is I just created these 2 little squares with the intention that you could actually paint around this area to create a framework. You can even put a picture here and do that for a little splash of color around the picture. And this particular tape from Frog Tape has a paint block technology, so it'll prevent any of the paint from seeping out into the lines where you want to keep them nice and straight. That's the only way you can get it really looking like a professional did that. So very easy, you just put the tape on, take your putty knife and kind of smooth it out real well, paint it, and then after it dries just a little while, carefully remove the tape and have those nice clean lines and a way to, again, introduce a little color in a room like this.